This is my friend Piper. Come here, Piper. Yep, there's Piper. Piper's joined me on multiple Ozarks trips out in New Mexico. It's the first time we got to meet her. Now she's back for Colorado, and she loves to play in the morning. One of the many fun things about coming on an overland event is the people you meet and the dogs. We just finished up breakfast. Everybody's getting packed up. We are base camping this trip, which is really awesome. Allows people to leave stuff if they want to. That way they can lighten their vehicles as we're going up on some of this more technical terrain. We'll be rolling out here shortly to Imogene Pass and then hitting Telluride. And on the way through Telluride, we'll come back via Ophir, back through Array and head back into camp. So it'll be a fun day. It's gonna be gorgeous. You can't find a bad spot in Colorado. All right, let's boogie. All right, y'all, we are almost to the top of Imogene Pass. It is a beautiful day. Couldn't ask for better weather. We've got a subtle breeze that's just enough to keep the clouds moving, keep the light ozone layers heat off of you. But man, check out this view. We have made it to the top of Imogene Pass. Look at this view. It's just epic. All the way around. Don't mind the Jeep, it's fine. Jeeps come with us too sometimes. We tolerate them. You never made it out here before? You're nervous about coming out on the roads by yourself? Hit us up. It's gonna be an epic time. We got some awesome events coming out for 2023, so better stay tuned.
Ahead of us is Ophir Pass, and we are about to take this transit van over. It's my seatbelt button. Here we go. No, there's some really cool rides out here. We can stop so you can see. Okay.
All right, guys, day two's a wrap. We finished Imogene and Ophir Pass. Imogene was a blast. We got to really test some of the vehicles, and there was a lot of Toyota, Jeep, taunting back and forth, which always adds to a really fun time. But we had another beautiful day, great scenery. It just kind of adds to the element of the camaraderie when we get to stop and just take it all in together. So we did stop like more than what we normally do, but it was absolutely worthwhile, all those moments of human connection, you know. So after that, we dropped into Telluride real quick, and then made our way over to Ophir Pass. Ophir was a blast because we picked up the Cayenne and the Black Elk van, and both of those tore it up. It conquered it with no issues. It actually was a little bit of a challenge because some of those vehicles are not designed for this crap. So we had to push these things to the limit. Got over the hill, and it was amazing to see what they could do. We're gonna close out with some amazing food tonight back at camp, and tomorrow we're gonna be hitting Black Bear Pass. It's gonna be awesome. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next episode.